Hi everybody and welcome to day 5 of our HIIT challenge. So today we're gonna do 100 bicycle abs. So this type of crunches works on our obliques, so side abs, and also it will work on our upper and lower part of our front core. And yeah, so let's go into the tutorial. So first, we're just gonna lie on our back. Firmly press the lower back to the mat. You're gonna lift up your chest and then we're gonna touch one elbow to the opposite knee. The other arm is behind your head or hand, and you're gonna point your toes. You're gonna touch the elbow to the knee, or if you can, just hold it like this, and then you're gonna switch. Inhale, exhale. Inhale when you switch, exhale, you do the touching. If this is too hard for you, still you are a beginner, then you can have both legs down and you're just gonna do this kind of movement, okay? Inhale, yeah, and exhale. Inhale, exhale. This will still work your obliques because you are twisting your body side to side. It will still work your TVA as well, the internal abs, the first layer of your core, and also your front layer of your core. Okay, so if you're ready, we will go for 100 reps. Probably we will do 2 times 50, but if you can, continue. All right. So also I have to mention that you go slow with this exercise. Don't go like this because this is nothing, right? You don't feel the proper engagement. You're going too fast. You're not gonna fire up your core muscles as you would if you would go really slow like this. By lowering the leg as well, you're gonna work on your lower part of your core and inner part of your core, and lifting up the chest will also focus on the upper part of the core. I know we don't have the lower and upper part of the core, but this is how we talk, and I can actually let you know where you're supposed to feel something, right? For those of you who are so sensitive about, oh, if you're separating the upper and lower part, you don't know what you're saying, go on. Okay. I know what I'm saying, so don't worry. Feel everywhere, alright? Supposed to feel everywhere. Are you ready? Also elbows, keep them outside. Okay, 100 bicycles, here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, really move your body, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, you can do this. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 20 more in first batch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Oh. We're not going to actually pause for a long time, just to give you a little bit of the break. Stretch it out a bit, pressing back to the mat. Now the second part is always the hardest because you're already activating your core. but still, let's push through, pressing lower back to the mat, engaging your core, and we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 80 now. I'm struggling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 100. Oh. Okay, and we did it. How? Feels good actually. The tightness of your core. I actually have to work on my core a little bit more now, even though I've been working on my abs since I was 14. So this is basically like what, 25 years now that I'm actually working on my core constantly. But don't get me wrong, I'm always, in every single exercise that I do, I engage my core. Either it's squats, lunges, I don't know, standing upper body exercises. Anyway, you have to engage your core at all times, otherwise you're just like a empty bag of potato. It doesn't stand still. You have to find your foundation, and your strong core is the foundation. Yeah. So if you want to do also a little bit of the stretching, I usually just go down and then just let it go, and you stretch your core with up dog. You want to go up into the real up dog, fine, just stay here, and then stretch your back a bit as well, shoulders. It's always good to do some stretching. And yeah, so 100 crunches, here you have it. So if you will not be able to do, let's say 100, 2 times 50, you can always go in the batches of 25 or 20 reps, you know, and then just build up gradually as you go. Yeah, so that's it. See you tomorrow for day 6. Ciao.
I've been fighting everything you say. I've been trying to go the other way, but I can't seem to get you out of my head. Out of my head. I've been fighting